What is up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. I am Henry. My beautiful wife Nat is on the other side. She's a little bit tired today, so I'm gonna be on my own. Today, guys, I'm bringing you guys Domino's, my favorite freaking type of pizza out there. And since we live next to Habit, I love their ranch, so we're gonna be doing pizza with ranch today. Let's go. Let's do a thumbnail. Hell yeah, let's freaking get this started. I have pepperoni, and underneath I got some pineapple, and I know there's a lot of pineapple haters out there. Pineapple and ham, but y'all gonna have to deal with me today. And actually I'm gonna tackle the ham because I'm the only one that likes ham in this house. Guys, look at this beauty. Ooh. Let's freaking get this started, guys. I've only had a little bit of breakfast, so oh my god. I know that lately we've been on and off, but with the holidays, our side hustle, trying to make some extra bread for the holidays, we've been a little bit tied up and busy here and there. So, but we're trying to come up with a better schedule. I'm gonna talk a little bit about pet peeves, guys. Many of you that know us personally know that I work for a bank. So I see customers on a daily basis. A lot of times I'm in the lobby. If you go to the bank, you see someone greeting you. Well, I do that. And I can't tell you how much it irks me when I greet someone and they just flat out ignore my ass. Like, I wasn't there. I didn't just say hi, welcome. It's crazy to me. You're rude, and I don't know who you think you are. I mean, that's what I'm thinking in my mind. It's just crazy to me, guys. If you ever go to the bank and someone greets you, please, for the love of God, say hi back. It's like we've almost lost the touch of human being, like, to interact with each other. It's sad and it pisses me off. Comment down below if you guys have any pet peeves, especially if you work like customer facing jobs. Oh my god. This freaking ranch is fire. Oh. If you happen to be around Habit, just go in there. Let them know that you just went through drive-thru. You forgot to ask for ranch. Take it home. Next time you order Domino's, you'll thank me. I promise. Comment down below, guys, what is your favorite food? My ultimate favorite food is pizza. And my favorite pizza place is Domino. I'll be honest with you guys, I don't think I'm gonna finish both boxes. I'm a pizza beast, but not that much. Plus my short ass body wouldn't take it. What is your guys' favorite pizza topping? Please don't hate on my pineapple ham, guys. And those of you that hate on the pineapple on food are probably the same people that hate on pineapple on tacos al pastor. Are any of you guys traveling for the holidays? Or doing anything at home for the holidays? Comment down below what you guys are doing. We want to know. Nat and myself are probably going to head out to Mount Baldy, do some tube sliding, and I've always wanted to do skiing or snowboarding. So I might just get like a class or something like that. Alright guys, this is my last slice. I can't hang no more. Especially because I ran out of ranch. Boom. Oh, yeah. All right, guys. I'm done. I ate 9 slices. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And as always, we will be back with more videos. We truly do appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you. Peace.